Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovely Life. Today is a special day on my channel. I'm super excited. It's like, calm down, Dee, calm down. But I'm hostessing this Declutter and Organize March Madness collab. This is an open collaboration, so myself and my fellow YouTubers among this ever-growing YouTube community will be sharing their decluttering and organizing a space in their home. So please check out the playlist that is linked in my description box. Give them a like, comment on their videos, and subscribe to their amazing channels. In this video today, I want to begin my declutter and organizing, starting with our medicine cabinet. With all that's been going on around the world, not only taking inventory and stocking up in our pantries and freezers, popular at the moment, so should our medicine and first aid cabinets. It's time I go through all of what I have on hand. Pepto, that's still good. That's still good. I've had this one for a while. It expired last April, so that could be gone. Expired last July, so that could also be gone. This one I just bought, unfortunately. This one still hasn't even been opened, but let's see. Expired as well. Vapor Steam expired December 20. So that could also be gone. Jeez, I didn't think all of this stuff would be gone. I'll get some more of that. Kitties, but I think that's toss. Look at that. It's like, hello. Okay, Dee, you're definitely going to have to get some more cold medication here. Next one's up. Oh, this one I can get rid of. The other one's for my mom. This is pretty new. Still using these, unfortunately. I'll get to that in a minute. That is, I don't know what that is. I don't know why that's in there. Sudafed. This one is still good until May. Let's see. This one's up to February. I'm going to keep that one though. And then this one could be, it's expired. It's like Flonase. That could be, there's like nothing in that. Okay. Look at the cost. That's expired recently. Okay, this one is still good. I was going to say, I just purchased that not too long ago. These are some prescriptions. This has been here for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. And then this is some stuff that my niece got for couponing. And yeah, these have expired, so I can go ahead and get rid of these. And that's Mom's, so that could actually stay there. Oh my goodness, that's the second one. Yeah, this one I just bought, so that's good. And same thing with these ones. These better not be expired. Yeah, okay. Nope, those are still good. This one I can toss. I don't think there's much in there, and I should probably just get a new one. Expired. All these are my prescriptions, and they're good. That's still good. And these are prescriptions I need to go through. Okay, so there we go with that one, and I have some more prescriptions over there, but I'm going to keep it separate because for my own privacy. So, but that's not bad. I got rid of a lot on that shelf too. Huh. When was the last time you went through your medicine cabinet? Let me know in the comments. I got a new one of those. I can toss that one out. I don't even know what that is. For eye care, and then these are to wipe your glasses, glass stuff, and then I got some extra contacts down here just in case, because I'm like too lazy to go upstairs in case I need to change mine out. Yes, just so that when we travel I have it in my purse. And I am a caregiver, so enema, but this one expired just recently, so on the safe side I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the list to unfortunately get. Wow. OMG, look at that, you guys. That is crazy. Alright, that kind of surprises me. I don't know about you, but that's a pretty good declutter right there. I also need to make a list of some of the products that I need on hand. I'm almost out of Tylenol. I need some baby aspirin. I need some cough syrup for myself. I also need, yeah, there's certain things that I need to have on hand. That, like, seriously surprised me. Really, I'm just like in shock. Well, I mean, not so in shock, but I am surprised of how very little that I have. So I'm definitely like, Dee, you need to be more prepared than this. Okay, declutter, check. Now it's time to make a list and start organizing.
Next is to measure my space so I can find containers to store things nicely back into the medicine cabinet, measuring all my shelves' dimensions so I can maximize this space. Of course, a quick little wipe down using Method All-Purpose Cleaner and Honeycrisp Apple. Looking back at all the decluttering I've done in the past, this is the first organization that will include storage containers and labels. I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting for this beginning. If you have followed me from the very beginning since 30 bags in 30 days, way back when, then you know. We've made it. And I say we because, well, you've been right beside me all along.
Is it a little bit too much?
I feel like I had moved up to the next level or something. Can anyone out there relate in YouTube land? Where are you in your decluttering journey? I started to create groupings of like items so I can see everything I had, and most importantly, to see what size of containers to group them in separately. Just to give you some ideas of groups you can label are pain relief, allergy, vitamins, prescription, cold and flu, first aid, children's, digestive, sleep, eyes, just to name a few. So many to choose from. I found some very affordable containers at DAISO Japan store, sort of like a Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, like where prices are real low, beginning at $1.50 and up for most items. These were perfect to fit in the spaces that I measured. It was my first time to this store and definitely not the last. I was really happy and so surprised to find such containers like these. It was finally time to bust out the label maker. After figuring out my groupings, it's time to set a system that will work for everyone who opens up the medicine cabinet. Super excited. Are you ready? Voila! I know, right? It does really look nice. Thank you. And yes, finally. I am really pleased on how this cabinet turned out, and I cannot wait to do more of these type of videos. I must have opened this cabinet numerous times afterwards just to admire. Anyone else do that after a project? Let me know in the comments. Hey, make sure to now click on the Declutter and Organize March Madness Collab playlist for more fellow YouTubers sharing their declutter and organizing videos. And if you joined me from another channel, please hit that subscribe button for more videos as this one. I'm a variety channel, so there's so much more you don't want to miss.